Look at this. A volcano in an uninhabited valley in Iceland's southwest continues to spew lava and emit noxious gases, with a fresh river of orange lava flowing from the crater 12 days after it began erupting.
You can see the fresh lava winding its way across the hardened lava from earlier eruptions. A 2021 eruption in the same area produced spectacular lava flows for several months.
And it's become one of Iceland's most famous tourist attractions the last couple of weeks as well, but I would recommend not getting too close.
No, I mean, even like some of the volcanic stuff looks like majestic. That just looked freaky. Freaky and dangerous.
Otherworldly.
Just like us.